March 31st, Anthropic just accidentally leaked the secret sauce behind the world's most powerful AI agent. And with a bit of clever tinkering, I managed to get the whole thing running right here on my phone. And honestly, it is working absolutely perfect. Stick around because I am about to show you why this is actually a step ahead of OpenClaw. Now, I did not just test this on one device, I ran it across multiple phones, both new and old models, and it performed perfectly on every single one of them. And here is the part that might surprise you the most. You do not need to root your phone. Not even close. This runs completely without root access, and once it is set up, you can throw virtually any task at it and it will get it done. To give you a real example, I used it to build a fully functional tic-tac-toe game, which you can see me playing right now on screen. But do not let that fool you. That is just scratching the surface. This agent has capabilities that go far beyond simple tasks. It can actually take control of your phone and operate it on your behalf. Watch this. Right here on screen, I asked it to open an app, and it did it instantly, no hesitation. And that is just one example. I have put it through a whole range of tasks, and it has handled every single one of them without breaking a sweat. We are talking everything from launching apps to full-on internet browsing, all driven by your AI agent. So at this point, you have to ask yourself, is this not already a more capable option than OpenClaw? What you are looking at is a genuinely powerful AI agent that works for you. It can write code, execute tasks, and get things done completely on your behalf. It takes your everyday smartphone and turns it into a fully functional AI-powered machine. And the beauty of it is that wherever you go, whatever you are doing, your personal AI agent is always right there with you, sitting right in your pocket. So let's get into the installation and get you set up. To get started, head over to the repository. The link is waiting for you down in the description. Once you land on the page, you will notice there are two paths you can take. The first is the normal agent setup, and the second is the advanced agent setup. If you are going with the normal agent, all you need to do is install Termux and run the installation command. Simple as that. Now, if you want the advanced agent, you will need to install and configure the Shizuku app alongside Termux. The repository has clear step-by-step instructions to walk you through the Shizuku setup. Once everything is in place, just follow the on-screen tutorial and you are good to go. Next, copy the first command from the repository, head into the Termux app, paste it in, and hit Enter. This command will install Ollama and spin up its server, which is the engine that powers your entire AI. Once that process completes, tap the three-line icon and open up a fresh Termux session. Inside that new session, go ahead and run this next command. This will generate a URL for you. Copy that URL, jump into any browser on your phone and open it. From there, sign in and establish the connection with Ollama. With that done, head back into Termux and paste in the Claude Code installation command, then hit Enter and let it run. Now, sit back and give it a moment to work. Once it finishes, it will prompt you to choose which AI model you want powering your agent. I am personally going with Gemini 3 Preview, but you have several solid options to pick from, so choose whatever works best for you. Then let it finish up the final setup. And just like that, the installation is complete. Now, launch your open source Claude agent by simply running the Claude command in Termux. Within seconds, your agent is live, fully operational, and ready to work for you. From this point, the possibilities are wide open. And remember, this has been built to be even more capable than OpenClaw, so do not be afraid to push it. One last thing. If you want to unlock the phone control features, make sure you are running it together with Shizuku and the Termux API app. That combination is where the real power comes in, and that is a wrap for today. If this video gave you value, show some love and hit that like button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I will get back to you personally. I will catch you in the next one.